Hey there, what's up? My name is Karrina Pitman. Welcome to my channel. I help people lose stubborn weight as well as reduce inflammation in their body. So today I wanted to discuss 5 keto paleo snacks that you can eat on the go. So let's just get right into it. Snack number 1 will be jerky. So I highly suggest when you are looking at jerky, if you don't do gluten, because this actually happened to me the other day at the airport, look at the package. I can't remember that brand, the red package that's like very common. I don't remember the name of the brand. But they always have like little mini packages and whatever. Basically, I was at the airport and I said, oh, I'll take some jerky, whatever, no big deal. And I'm dairy free and I'm gluten free. So I look at the ingredients. Also, I am a health freak and I'm gonna figure out what's in it. I look and there is gluten in it. How is that possible? I don't know. Anyways, basically, look at the package, or if you are dairy free or gluten free, make sure you are constantly looking at the packages, because it made no sense why there was gluten in it, but I guess it's some seasoning or something. So that would be tip number 1 is jerky. Jerky is a good alternative to take with you on the go if you don't have any diet restrictions or you find a good quality brand that doesn't have things like that. Number 2 are nuts. I love nuts. I love taking them everywhere. I think they are the best source of fat, the best source of nutrients that you can get. I highly suggest macadamia nuts if you are not planning to eat a lot, because number 1, macadamia nuts, they're very calorically dense. Number 2, they are high in fat, so it is easy to get only a little bit and get a lot of calories in it and satiation that you are looking for. Almonds are very powerful as well. You just want to make sure that with nuts that you don't overeat them, because that can cause a problem in your gut health from the skin on the nut from the processing. It can harm your gut eating too much of it. Option number 3 would be almond butter packets. Now, my favorite brand is Justin's, but they do have palm oil in it, so you do have to be careful also eating too much of it. Of course, eating too much of anything isn't the best for you, but Justin's is my favorite brand. They have little mini packets and they're easy for on the go. If you do have another brand you like, perfect. Almond butter, peanut butter, all these butters, nut butters are very powerful to take with you, because you just take it, and just like nuts, you could just take it and go and eat, and it's fat, it's protein, and it's just simple and easy to take with you. Option number 4 would be hard-boiled eggs. Now, not everybody likes eggs or dairy or whatever the case is, but hard-boiled eggs is a great option, especially for a source of high-fat protein and getting those micronutrients that we need that are essential. So there are multiple brands. There are little brands that sell the little mini packets, or they sell the bags that just come with the little eggs. Hard-boiled eggs is a really good option, but make sure you eat them. I can't smell, but if you leave them, it starts stinking. Just eat them and enjoy. Those are a good option. And option number 5, the last option, would be dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is super duper powerful. It is so powerful, and I love dark chocolate, but like nuts, too much of it is not the best for you. But essentially, dark chocolate has all kinds of vitamins in it, as well as it is a powerful antioxidant that can help you, especially when you're traveling and your immune system and you want to make sure you're healthy and everything. Dark chocolate is very perfect to eat a little bit every single day while you're on your trip or flying. So those are my top 5 keto foods that you can take on the go and enjoy, and they would be really good for your system. If you are interested in being coached by me or guided coaching by me, I have my membership site where I guide you and coach you how you can get the body you want to get through food, and I have exercises in there and diet tips and basically guided coaching at an affordable cost. So if you're interested in that, click the first link in the bio, and I will check with you back soon. So please like this video, share, comment, and yeah, so see you soon.